We all are familiar with the advantages of learning English, like English provides you a lot of job opportunities, used as a global language, and it also empower you to understand and watch English movies, songs and TV series. But everything has its own pros and cons. So English does have some cons. So in this video we are going to talk about some of the major cons of English. So let's dive into our today's video. I can certainly say most of English learners, they are familiar with the advantages or benefits of learning English, but they are really not aware of the disadvantages, some cons of learning English. That's what this video is going to be about. So let's watch it. First disadvantage is loss of local languages. Once English becomes dominant and important, people stop using their local and regional languages. Instead, they prefer to talk in English with their kids. They always keep away their kids from regional language in order to avoid those problems you have been facing while learning English. And I can certainly say in future you are going to talk to your kid in English so that your kids don't have to face problems you have been facing in order to learn English. Once you become parents, you are going to impose English language on your kids, and your kids will not have interest anymore to talk in local languages, and that's when the slow death of regional language will start. And yet, like, it is very slow, okay, it is very slow, it is not going to happen very soon. And you might be thinking, if a language disappear, so what's the big deal here? It is very big deal here. Let me tell you why. Because it takes thousands of years to develop a language, but we are going to extinct it, okay, we are going to let it die within a decade, few decades. So how disappointing it is, isn't it? Second disadvantage is cultural erosion. You know, language is a big part of a culture, and it is also a great weapon to make our culture dominant and influential. If we only start speaking English in that way, we will be downplaying our traditions, language, songs, stories and great occasions, and that's how Western culture will start to take our cultures, and very soon our tradition cultures will start disappearing. Finally, I have a question. Do you want your culture to die? Do you want your local languages, stories, poem to disappear? Not. Nobody wants, right? So in order to keep our culture, tradition, song, everything alive, we need to learn, we need to speak our local languages as well. It is important to learn English, okay, to make our future better, to make our, to get job opportunities, okay, we need to learn English, but it doesn't mean we avoid our regional languages, okay, that is the huge part of our culture. So teach your kids English, but also teach your kid local languages like Maithili, Bhojpuri, whatever your local language is. Never try to downplay it. If you downplay it, okay, it will disappear, and the 1000 years of history, everything will disappear with that language.